What is a boil order? A boil order is an announcement issued by your local government or water provider declaring public tap water unsafe for consumption. Consumption includes but is not limited to drinking the water, cooking with it, using it to brush teeth, etc. For drinking, it is recommended that water be disinfected by boiling at a rolling boil for 1 minute. Drinking water from an outside source such as bottled water is also suggested. If you are cooking with the water, it is imperative that you dispose of any food treated or prepared with water before the boil order was issued. Until the order is lifted, only use water that has been properly purified or use bottled water. Disposable eating and cooking utensils are recommended. If unavailable, only use utensils that have been sanitized using boiling water. When washing hands, use purified water and follow the instructions given by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Bathing with normal tap water may be done if necessary. However, it is important that no water is ingested or touches the mouth, nose, or eyes. How should I use my Berkey system during a boil order? The black Berkey purification elements that come standard with all Berkey systems have been tested to remove different bacteria as well as viral contaminants from drinking water. These purifiers will not only remove chemical and heavy metal contaminants that can be found in clean drinking water, but can also provide a final barrier between you and your drinking water during a boil order. You do not need to boil your water in addition to running it through the black Berkey purification elements. Black Berkey purification elements remove biological contaminants as well as heavy metals, pharmaceuticals, disinfectants, and other waterborne contaminants. These purifiers stand as a clean and cost-effective alternative to buying copious amounts of bottled water during an emergency. However, as an additional precaution, if using a source of water that you believe might contain extreme viral and bacteriological contamination such as E. coli, it is recommended by the CDC, EPA, and other organizations that approximately 16 drops of plain bleach or iodine per gallon be added to treat the source of water before purifying. This should kill minute pathogens such as viruses within 30 minutes. Simply add the drops to a pitcher of water, wait a half hour, and then pour the treated water into the top chamber of your system. The disinfectant will be removed from the treated water entirely with the Berkey system, including any odor or taste. Where can I find additional information on boil orders? Information can be found from a variety of sources. On BerkeyCleanWater.com's Facebook page, I post boil water orders as often as I can. You can also check out the CDC or EPA websites.